to my channel Fun Day with Shine. Before getting into the video, let me share something with you all. This week, I didn't even get an idea what video should be done. So I was thinking a lot. My mother came and said, this week is going to be Kartika Deepam. So I was thinking, what special is there in this festival? At last I got the idea that one special thing in this festival is diyas. So I thought today's video has to be concentrated on diyas. Yes, today I have done a video which will show you some decorations on diyas. I'm not that well versed. Hope you guys will like it. You guys check out this video and I'll meet you all at the end of this video because I have so many diyas to go and decorate. Bye! These are the materials needed for diyas decoration. Some sketch pens, stickers, paint, water, brushes of different shapes and sizes. This is the paper what I have kept for diya's pattern, and one diya, some buds and some toothpicks for decoration purpose. And these are the diyas what I have already designed. There are so many patterns and designs what we can do in our own. We can totally imagine the design whatever we are going to do. This is one of my imagination in which I have included some smileys. These are some dotted diyas. This is also a dotted one, and this is a patterned one. Now let's get into the process. Start with the painting. While you paint a diya, make sure that you use less water, because if you use excess water then it would dominate the paint and the water would be seen much more than the paint. And one more tip what I want to give you all is, when you paint the diya, make sure that the paint is distributed all over the diya. There should not be any lumps, or there should not be any breaks, and also there should not be any type of empty spaces. Okay, now let's start. I am taking a little big one and a thick one. You can use any type of brush. I am taking this much of paint and just slightly dipping it in my water. Now let's start painting. First, paint this part, that is the outline part. And then you can paint this and then the inner part. After painting, I am taking a thin brush to do the decorations. Always use a contrast color to make the designs on the diya. I am going to do a pattern design. This is how you have to put a curve, and be very careful while putting a curve, because it should not go inner side, because you are doing the designs at the outer, and the inner side design should remain the inner. Now I am going to show you a design with the buds. You can keep dots like this. And now I will show you how to do the inner one. You can use any color. First keep a dot, the base dot, And now drag the earbuds from one point to the dot like this to make a flower. Then you can decorate it with the dots. I'm using watercolors. You can use also poster colors or acrylic, anything. Take another bud, because if you use the same bud which you used to do these dots, then the diya will become messy. The decoration you make are totally your imagination. This is my own imagination. You can do anything. And just go keep on putting some dots which will make your diya more beautiful. This is how it looks after decorating. Now let me show you other designs. Another design. As I have painted this diya with red color, I am taking a contrast color which is white. Be very careful. Make some lines and keep some dots. I have made some 5 lines, and in the outer part I have made designs like this that are patterns. I am keeping dots at the outer side of these lines. You can keep the dots too closer to the one more dot, or you can also leave some distance. As I said, you can do anything. The decorations are totally your wish. I am just going to keep the dots at the outer part of these lines. You can also keep the dots inside these lines. I have taken a very thin brush. You can take any brush which is comfortable for you. Now this is how it looks after making the design. You can just keep one base dot over here. As I said, you can also keep the dots like this in the inner part. I'm just going to leave it like this, but if you want you can also keep it like this. This is how it looks. And now I will show you how to do the outer one. For the outer one I'm going to use another color. First clean your brush and then use the another color. I'm using yellow color, which is a light color. You can do totally different designs for the inner and the outer part of the diya. In this inner part I have put some straight lines. In the outer part I have put some curved lines. These were some of the patterns what I used in my diyas, and also you can do decorations or patterns in your wish. Also you can use your imagination. Now let me show all my diyas. These were the diyas what I decorated for today's festival. Did you all like this video? If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share this video to all your friends and family so that they even get to know some decorations. They will use it on their diyas. And comment and let me know how did you guys like these decorations, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Ding ding when a new videos are. Bye. See you all next Sunday. Stay tuned.